A straight line can be divided into a given number of equal parts. That is what we are going to be doing in today's class. So get your drawing instruments and materials and draw with me. To divide a straight line into a given number of equal parts, we need to follow these simple steps. 1. Draw any given line AB with your ruler. We go to our drawing board and draw line AB and label it accordingly. 2. Draw line AC at any convenient angle to AB. So back to the board, we have drawn line AB already. So now we draw a line AC at a convenient angle to AB. So we draw line AC at a convenient angle. 3. Step off along line AC 9 divisions. These may be of any convenient length, but equal. So, we are going to step off 9 points. Stepping off means marking 9 points along line AC. So back to the board, we've drawn line AB and we have also drawn line AC at a convenient angle to AB. Now, you take your pair of compasses and with a convenient radius, begin the marking off of the points on line AC. So we want to mark off 9 points. So let's begin. Point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5, point 6, point 7, point 8, and point 9. We have marked off 9 arcs along line AC. 4. Join the last number to point B. Next, use a set square positioned properly on a ruler or another set square to draw lines parallel to this line from the other numbers. Join the last number to point B. We have already joined point 9 to point B with a straight line. Draw point 8 up to AB. We shift the set square and draw from point 7 up to AB. We shift the set square and draw from point 7 up to AB. We shift, same for point 6 up, point 5 up, 0.4 up, 0.3 up, 0.2 up, and lastly 0.1 up. Beautiful. I hope you got that right. Finally, as we can see, line AB is now divided into 9 equal parts. Thank you for staying to the end of today's class. I'm sure you had fun dividing a straight line into a given number of equal parts. Till I come your way again, keep having fun with technical drawing.